Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use OpenAI API, beginner guide step by step clearly. To use the OpenAI API, begin by creating an OpenAI account. Visit the OpenAI website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once registered, log in to your new OpenAI account. Navigate to the API section in your account dashboard. Here, you will find your unique API key. Copy this API key and keep it in a secure place. Next, choose a programming language or environment for your project. You can use Python, JavaScript, or any other language that supports HTTP requests. If using Python, install the OpenAI library using pip. Open your command line interface and run the command pip install OpenAI. After installation, create a new Python file for your project. At the top of your file, import the OpenAI library. Use the line, import OpenAI. Set your API key by adding the line, OpenAI.API_key equals your API key. Replace your API key with the key you copied earlier. Decide what functionality you want to implement using the API. For text generation, you'll need to call the completion endpoint. Write a function to make a request to this endpoint. In this function, specify the model you wish to use. Common models include Text DaVinci 003 and Text Curie 001. Input your prompt that you want the model to respond to. Also, configure parameters like temperature and max tokens. Temperature controls the creativity of the response. Set a max tokens limit to restrict the length of the output. Call the OpenAI API within your function by using OpenAI completion.create. Pass your model, prompt, and other parameters to this function. Store the response from the API in a variable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.